Down, 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 down.
All right, I think you want another run. Oh! That's how you leave work to go cash your check right there. Big money check. What up, DCB fam? Thursday, another day, another burnout. See what we got going on today. See who our next burnout victim. Check him out. See if he know what he doing. Key, gotta top him, Key.
Come on, man. I got some new tires.
Key said I got some new tires. Hey, man, that was pretty good. Now he's showing off. All right, let me see who winning now. We got our marks going. I don't know, Key. You looking pretty good over here. Look how far that boy threw rubber, though. Boy, you threw rubber all the way to the fence.
Transmission tip is still at 135.
Come on, man. It's the best time to do it in the morning. Look how far you threw that rubber, though.
I know. I gotta quit doing that. We need new tires soon.
I know. That's the whole point. So, another day at the shop. Everybody on the grind. Look at this thing. Windshield got blast. Hailstorm did this thing. So today, pretty much another normal day here. I get this work in. That's pretty much it. I got a new metal pile I'm working on. So, but while we talking about that, let's see what Erica doing over here. What you doing, man?
What's up?
Wax on, wax off. I've been called out by Devin. He wants to race me in his sister's car. And so we about to see how this about to go. He swears his little car is so fast. Check him out. That sucker moving. Hey, you count it off.
1, 2, 3.
He ain't got a chance. That was a 20 to 60 roll. And he got a rock in his tire. Oh!
I told you I was gonna come around you.
All right, you ready?
I got you on the big end.
All right, hold up.
Aerodynamics. You wanna hung it off?
Rolled him up again. Racing to the alignment shop. Little car pretty quick, but it ain't fast enough for the old Chevrolet. Old Botar gang. Uh-oh. Yeah, man, you talking all that noise, talking about how fast his sister car is. Car ain't got a chance. All right, I think you want another run. I think that rocking his tires wearing them down. Hey!
I was spinning from first to second.
Are you
shifting to third?
Are you?
She lost it.
Oh, okay.
So I had to get out of it.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's that rocking it and your tire that's throwing you off.
All it is.
All right. So he was spinning, he said. Okay, that's what we're gonna go with. So what happened, Sunflower? You got rolled up by a Chevrolet, boy.
Man, I don't know, man.
What's wrong? Your nitrous wasn't working?
She came out strong, man, and all of a sudden, as soon as she shifted in the second, like it had a little stutter.
Oh, okay.
Man, I don't know. The first race, I just blew the tires off.
Yeah, I know. I noticed that. I can see the
All
smoke.
squiggly and everything.
The man right there. Well, you... I promise I ain't got it. He said I stole his jump box. He called me up this morning. You got ghosts in your house. We got the real Ghostbusters here in Lake Charles. Check this thing out, bro. This is like the original car from the movie, bro. Who you gonna call? Hey, it only got 39,000 miles on it. This is cool. What you doing to it, bro?
So far we've done drive shafts on it, the drum brakes, and then hopefully we put some wheel bearings in the rear.
You need to hurry up, man. They got ghosts out there. They gotta go fight, bro.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, he rents this thing out like every weekend.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, Devin, he rents it out, D. Oh, we gotta get it, bro. We go to the casino in this thing. Pull up with all the lights on. We here.
Where are the ghosts?
We here. They got ghosts in the machine, in the slot machine.
Yeah, that's why they ain't giving no money.
That's why they ain't giving no money up. Man, this thing smell like not someone died in it. Someone could die in it. Boy, I got a backup camera. This is crazy, bro. What's up, Captain? What's up? Checking out the Ghostbuster mobile, man. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's definitely cool. It's got the siren and everything, all the lights working on it.
Man.
The Ghostbuster sirens and everything.
That's cool, man. Hey, we gotta rent this thing for the weekend, son.
Oh man, I just want to ride the back.
You wanna lay down?
Lay down, yeah.
Put you laying
Lay
down?
down like this, and
in the
the red
back?
light just pop up.
I know, huh? What? That's cool. So you pretty much just built us some training wheels.
Yep.
That's cool, bro. He put some training wheels on it.
My wife was cutting grass the other day. She's like, I need some training wheels.
Fix that problem.
Right, yeah.
How fast this thing goes?
I got it up to 60.
That's pretty fast. Yeah, that's pretty fast. You better sit there and do a burnout.
In the middle, and
Yeah, wearing that little tile.
That's pretty cool. Oh, I got you.
That's crazy. That's the song I don't want to hear. That's cool, bro.
Rotted out shell. He redid everything.
What?
It was an ambulance for an orphanage.
Man, that's cool, man. Me and Devin was just saying, well, there's probably been a lot of dead bodies in this thing.
Not dead, but probably broken arms, broken legs, stuff like that. Kids falling out of trees and
They
stuff.
probably wish they was dead. Man, this thing is cool, man.
Yeah.
It's a 66. Original was a 59, but he just did it because he found one. He couldn't find one. It was a rotted out shell in a field. Oh, okay. And he went through it all and mixed it.
We gotta try to rent this thing and see if it'll do donuts. Look at that. Boy, I got cameras. Look, this guy's a big Ghostbuster fan. Check him out.
All those lights are tube amps. They're just like the old Marshall guitar amps. They have tubes that'll kind of glow. And if you burn them out, you gotta go
What's up,
find
dude?
Holy dude, dude, it's been years.
What's been going on, bro?
Oh man, I'm looking at the Ecto 1 right here.
I know, bro. It's crazy, huh?
Oh yeah, just growing out my hair, living the dream, you know.
What's up, bro? I told Leah, I said, man, I gotta rent this thing out, bro. See if it'll do donuts. All right, this is what happens when your seatbelt's locked up. Can't pull them. All right, show them yours, D.
You can play a good old guitar.
Guitar, let's see here.
Yeah.
Down, 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 down.
We ain't got nothing better else to do. What's up? We is getting it today. Anytime we break this thing out, something bad happened to somebody's car. So let's get this thing out and I'm gonna show you what your car looks like when you hit a 200-pound hog. Give me a second. He is confused. Let's see what Edgar doing over here on the roof. Fire! That hurt. Edgar, man, what's going on, man? Man. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on. I don't know, man. It's like everybody getting wrecked. I want y'all to check out Devin's attire right here.
Want a cookie?
Hey, the question is, do you know what kind of dinosaur is on there? Come on, man.
That's Littlefoot, long neck. That's a Triceratops.
Yep, Triceratops.
They got a trouser snake somewhere.
Oh, okay. This dude here.